One owner care shows throughout this property. It is immaculately kept inside and out with awesome views on 0.35 of an acre. 1999 Golden West manufactured home 3-bed/2 bath with 1,512 square feet, light and bright open floor plan, nice kitchen with island, range and refrigerator included, spacious living room, dining room has slider to the huge covered deck with great views, master has walk-in closet and master bath, and an attached oversized double garage. Circular driveway and RV parking. A must-see to appreciate.